Every year, I travel to Oaxaca, Mexico. For 1 week, our team dedicates ourselves to performing cataract surgery for people who otherwise might never have access to it. This September 2025, one patient reminded me, more than ever, why this mission matters. Her name is Isidra. She's 70 years old. When we met her, she was in a catatonic state, silent, withdrawn, unable to care for herself. She had bilateral blinding cataracts, meaning she couldn't see even the faintest light. Over the years, she suffered multiple falls and bone fractures. Some doctors accused her family of neglect. Others diagnosed her with schizophrenia and kept her on antipsychotics for years. But the truth was simpler and more devastating. She was blind, trapped in darkness, and had no access to proper care. On the day of surgery, we operated on one of her eyes. Cataract surgery is delicate but fast, just minutes that can change a life. The next morning, we removed her patch. I'll never forget the moment. Isidra blinked, opened her eyes, and tears streamed down her face. Her daughter cried too. For the first time in years, she could see. But something even more powerful happened. She began to speak. It wasn't schizophrenia. It wasn't neglect. It was poverty. It was blindness. And it was years of silence. Restoring her sight brought her back to life.
¿Algunas palabras que le quiera dedicar a los Quijotes?
Que estamos muy agradecidas, de verdad, Dios los bendiga porque es un milagro para mi mamá. Sí, de veras, muchísimas gracias de todo corazón.
Qué bueno.
Gracias.
Sí, muy conmovedora su historia, desde las caídas, las fracturas que tuvo por no poder ver y luego pues el diagnóstico de algún tipo de demencia que que le hicieron, y pues ahora que ya ve, pues le ha cambiado bastante, bastante hasta su semblante. ¿Cómo se siente, doña Isidra?
Bien, ahorita.
Muy bien.
Sí, me siento bien.
Qué bueno.
Sí.
¿Algunas palabras que le quiera dedicar a los Quijotes, aquí al doctor Jorge?
Pues yo le doy las repetidas gracias porque es la primera vez que me tocó operarme con él.
Qué bueno.
Sí, y sí, pues yo creo que sí. Muy bien todo.
Gracias.
Sí.
Muy bien, pues
Sí.
le haremos llegar a todos los demás sus palabras. Gracias de nuevo.